profession is one thing, passion is one thing. That's what I believe. Passion is something which I'm doing currently, which is interior designing, of course. I have joined interior designing. It was while my office basement area was getting renovated in a cafeteria. So while this entire thing was happening, we used to visit the basement area for in lunch breaks, after office, before office hours. And the most common thing I used to do was interact with the designer who was in charge of the entire redevelopment, just to discuss all the panels. And I don't know, that was so interesting that I was just having endless conversation with her. There are 4 points I would want to state wherein how AND has helped me in the learning process. The first thing is that I'll genuinely tell the live classes. Our interactive classes are actually a great way of learning. So that has actually helped me a lot. Even after my long office hours, when I used to sit for interactive classes, I used to feel exhausted because this is something interesting happening, right? And too many activities going on the offline activities. And coming to the second point, which is the offline activities, those activities were also something of which used to awakens your brain. I feel activities which actually use your brain from, and you won't get it on any AI tools. In the initial time of the project of the elements, when we were learning very basic the elements, the principle of design, we used to have those craft making activities. I think that was the best, not only to make your concept clear but you to get that zeal out of you, that no, I want to do this, and it's interesting. While you're crafting, your brain works on reflective. And the third thing was how the mentors were conveying the information needed, and that standard, like I would say the industry standard and the learning, the learning sources and the industry sources, there was a balance in between. So it was good. Also, how the mentors were explaining this to us in a very interactive manner and everything. So I think it was quite insightful. I also attended few placement sessions on the tips on how to update the LinkedIn profiles, and if you want to be seen in the interior market, and how Sir has helped us. That was also great. I have generally applied those. So profession is one thing, passion is one thing. That's what I believe. Passion is something which I'm doing currently, which is interior designing, of course. So my career aspirations in the longer term is that I want to have my own firm. Before that, I would definitely want to assist some designer. Maybe I believe that my efficiency will increase, and that patience, which somewhat has developed, but I think I need to work more upon that. So yeah. It was quite a challenge because my work it was a 9 to 6, I can say, but it was not actually 9 to 6, okay? It sometimes gets stretched to 10, 11 night. So there were times when I had to struggle a lot. Of course, initially I was juggling in attending classes also in initial phases of, but later on I had to find a way through it. So either काम को रोक दो after 6 and do work whatever you want to do post 11. I mean, this was just my way to have a balance, but everyone has their own way to have a balance, and it's important to find that balance. Weekends was for my site visits, and for the site visits I used to study, or I used to do the assignments on weekends. However, it was possible. It was juggling, but हो जाता है. My suggestion would be just go for it, because I don't, whatever that sense of interest you have, be it graphic, be it UI UX, be it interior, anything, just go for it. बस कर लो यार. I mean, why do you have to wait so much? If it's your passion, just go for it. I think it's that simple. Learners hesitate. Like I also hesitated initially because of my job, and I was like, I don't know how will I manage. Even I had this question in my orientation before in my interview as well, that how will you manage it, because I had a full time and everything. So I said कि नहीं कर लेंगे. This will happen. I will do it. So just go for it and do it.